How's it going, guys? This is a Jeep CJ5. It's a 65 CJ5. There is quite a bit to do on this car, as you can see. We're already taking off the original winch right here. Not taking it off, but we're fixing the motor. We're sending it to some guy to fix it all up. You can see it's a project. Got a little rust here to fix. Little back here, as you can see. A little dirty because the guys we bought it from just used it to go hunting all the time. So never cleaned it. They just, you know, all that. We got new seats already. The old ones are right there, but these ones are new, not bolted in yet. Has a PTO into it, which, so you know, it's an old farm truck. Yeah, so everything on this is original except for the wheels and tires, and a couple other, you know, small things like I don't know, you know, there's a couple small things, but I'm right about to pressure wash it, so let's see it happen. Alright, so now with most of the undercarriage taken care of, underneath and all that, you know, not perfect. Okay. Okay, sorry about that. But it's not perfect, but clean enough to, you know, get some stuff done. Now I'm going to take my tools out and now we're going to clean the back of this. Now take out the seats that aren't even in, but take those out and then clean all this out. Yeah, stay tuned. So we just got this all hosed off. I took off the roll bar because I wanted to get underneath here, see if there's any rust. There's a little bit. No, it's also standing water still. So I gotta blow that off. Yeah, doesn't look too bad. There is a patch right here, it looks like they did. I might take that out and weld a piece right in there. And then a couple here welds, a couple spots. Wire wheel it, just get some of that rust off. Probably prime it. Then, yeah. So there is a lot of projects to do with here. If you want to see any of them, just comment, rate, and subscribe. Well, comment what you want to see. Subscribe if you want to see more, and then rate on if you want to. Also, if you want to see more, because these are all up to you. So, thank you all for watching, and goodbye.